Good morning, students. I am Samir, and today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Social Science. Lesson number 3 Ancient Towns and Scriptures यानी कि पुराने नगर और शास्त्र. We often hear two words culture and civilization. Do you know what is meaning? Culture is a matter related to human life. यानी कि संस्कृति वो है जो मानव जीवन से जुड़ी हुई होती है. While civilization is developed by human being, और जो सभ्यता है वो मानव के द्वारा विकास की जाती है, डेवलप की जाती है. Being which he creates with his own caliber, skill and creative skill. सभ्यता जो है वो मानव की क्षमताओं से, उनके ओन कैलिबर से, उनकी सृजनात्मक क्षमताओं से वो पूरी सभ्यता खड़ी करता है, उसे हम सभ्यता बोलते हैं. Here are some civilizations mentioned, for example Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such a great civilization of human society. एक उदाहरण के रूप में है. Centuries old civilization still inspire human life. Out of this civilization we shall study about Harappan civilization. In India there are so many civilizations found in certain places, like Harappan civilization and second part is the Indo-Village civilization. Both are similar. Harappan civilizations founded in Pakistan, Punjab. Here is the map. Certain places mentioned in this map. Here you can see the which are the places founded in Gujarat. There are Dholavira, Lothal, Rangpur, Mehsana, Ahmedabad. In Mehsana, Ahmedabad and Saurashtra, there are some places founded by Archaeological Survey of India. And Mohenjo-daro, which is situated in Punjab, Pakistan, which near the Ravi River. Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Here you can see that Kalibangan, Alamgirpur. These all are places of Harappan civilization. We know Harappan civilization also as the Indus Valley civilization. Remains of these civilizations were the first discovered from Harappa. ये सारे जो places है वो हरप्पन civilization में पहले ढूंढे गए थे in 1921. Many of the places, the civilizations in the north western part of India. ज़्यादातर जो places है वो भारत के वेस्टर्न पार्ट यानी पश्चिम भाग में ढूंढे गए थे, उत्तर पश्चिमी भाग में. इंक्लूड हड़प्पा भी उसी पार्ट में आता है. हड़प्पा का जो है वो मोहनजोदारो, इवन लोथल, दोराविला, कालीबंगन, राखीगढ़ी एक्सेट्रा. See the locations of places of Harappan civilizations in the map of 3.1. Let's get introduction about town planning of some of the major cities and their features. We are going to learn about the town planning. How was the Harappan civilization well planned? How was their social life? How was their economical life? How people were lived there? So let's see in detail. Town planning. Organized town planning was the most important features of the Harappan civilizations. हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन का सबसे वो अच्छा पार्ट जो माना जाता है वो है टाउन प्लानिंग का. वहाँ की टाउन प्लानिंग जो थी वो बहुत ही वेल मैनेज थी. All the towns were planned in similar way. In all places fort was westward side and colony of common people on the east side. Highway separated both of them. The fort on the west was surrounded by the fortress. Most probably, rulers would have lived in the fort. Bricks were often used in their own structure. Let's study about various features of Harappan civilization. So what is the main features of Harappan civilization? Main features of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. उनका एक हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन का एक अच्छा जो का मेन फीचर्स जो है वो है उनकी घर बनाने का तरीका. उनके जो घर जो थे, हाउसेस जो थे, वो वेल अरेंजमेंट थे. हाउसेस वेर कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन हाई प्लेटफॉर्म्स टू प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम फ्लड एंड डंपनेस. One of the features of houses of Harappan was that the main gate opened in the lanes rather than towards the main road. Here single and double storied houses were seen. Roads were very comfortable. There were two highways in the city, one of the which connected north with south and other connected east with west. One of the most features is public bath, also founded in Mohenjo-daro. Here is a picture of public bath Mohenjo-daro. Here streets were parallel to the main road. Roads intersected each other at the right angle. Roads and streets were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into square and rectangular section. Evidence of the nightlight system has also been obtained on public roads. There was highly developed and systematic system disposal of water in Harappan civilizations. यानी कि आज के ज़माने में जो हमारी गटर व्यवस्था है वो उस ज़माने में भी हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन में भी हुआ करती थी. वाटर फ्रॉम लार्ज सेवर फ्लो आउट फ्रॉम सिटी टाउन. A public bath has also been found in Mohenjo-daro. In the center of this public bath is pond for bathing. There are steps arranged on the both sides to get into the pond. There are changing room around the pond. This public bath would have been used on festivals or religious occasions. In addition to this, pillars houses used as assembly halls have also been found in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa is an archaeological site located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. Harappa must have been the main town of Indus Valley civilization. The main feature of the Harappa is its greenery. About 12 grain stored have been found on the bank of Ravi River. और एक फीचर्स है जो रावी रिवर के नज़दीक में जो अनाज स्टोर करने के जो ग्रेन्स होते हैं वो वहाँ पे पाए गए हैं. वो कितने पाए गए हैं? 12. Now let's see the one more Harappan site, Lothal. Have you ever visited about Lothal? Listened about Lothal? Lothal is situated in Ahmedabad. We can call that it was a port at that time. Lothal is situated on the bank of Bogavu River in Dholka Taluka in Ahmedabad district. Lothal was a commercialized port and an इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन इन एशियन टाइम्स. यानी कि पुराने ज़माने में लोथल जो था वो व्यापारिक पोर्ट था और औद्योगिक सिटी के नाम से जाना जाता था, क्योंकि हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन के जितने भी स्थल थे वहाँ पे अनाज और ईंधन काफ़ी कुछ आने लाने जाने के लिए, व्यापार करने के लिए जो बंदर के थ्रू वो व्यापार किया जाता था, क्योंकि लोथल जो था वो नदी किनारे हुआ करता था. A structure made of bricks has been found in Lothal. It is considered that it must have been dockyard. It can be assumed that the vessel ship arriving here was used for loading and unloading goods. In addition, warehouses and bat factory have been found here. So it can be said that the Lothal was prosperous part of ancient India, and international trade of Harappan civilization must have been done through the port of Lothal. Here you can see the dockyard of the Lothal port. Lothal is a part of Gujarat because it is situated in Ahmedabad. One more site, archaeological site, Harappan site in Gujarat, Dholavira. Dholavira is an archaeological site located in Khadirbet area in Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. Note down in your notebook. Generally, the Harappan towns are divided into two parts. Bilteral, while the town of Dholavira is divided into three parts. Thilteral. One is cathedral, it's known as a fort. Second is upper town. Third one is lower town. The main speciality of Dholavira town is rainwater हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम एंड स्टेडियम. ये एक बहुत ही एक खास बात है. धौलावीरा में सबसे अच्छा जो पाया गया है वो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम एंड स्टेडियम वहाँ पे पाया गया है. कालीबंगन टाउन ऑफ राजस्थान. कालीबंगन वेयर इज सिचुएटेड? इट इज सिचुएटेड इन राजस्थान. was the headquarter of agriculture revolution in Harappan civilizations. यानी कि हड़प्पन सभ्यता में खेतीबाड़ी की जो क्रांति हुई थी वो कहाँ पे हुई थी? राजस्थान के कालीबंगन में हुई थी. द रिमेन्स ऑफ द फार्म्स हियर प्रोवाइड प्रूफ ऑफ दिस. यहाँ पे जो खेत पाए गए हैं वो उसका प्रमाण है. द कॉपर रिसाइड फाउंड हियर प्रूव्स दैट copper tools must have been manufactured here, and this tool might have been used in agriculture. Thus, the town planning of Indus Valley civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned, and efficient. It is a wonderful reflection of the governing power of ruling elite, the intelligence of the engineers, and the craftsmanship of the craftsmen. वहाँ की जो टाउन प्लानिंग है वो आज के ज़माने से भी काफ़ी मिलती जुलती है और काफ़ी बेहतर मानी जाती है. वो काफ़ी बुद्धिपूर्वक उन्होंने बहुत बनाया होगा. इंजीनियर्स बड़े वहाँ पे पढ़े नहीं होंगे लेकिन उनकी जो बनाने की जो क्षमताएं थी वो काफ़ी वेल मैनेज थी. नाउ लेट्स सी द इकोनॉमिक लाइफ इन हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन. यानी कि हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन की आर्थिक व्यवस्था क्या थी, वो क्या खाते थे, कहाँ से खाना आता था, उनकी रोजी रोटी कैसे कमाते थे वो सब वगैरह. पीपल ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस वेर एंगेज्ड विथ इन वेरियस इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक एग्रीकल्चर. यानी कि उस सभ्यता के जो लोग थे वो काफ़ी इकोनॉमिक यानी आर्थिक प्रवृत्ति में जुड़े हुए थे, जैसे कि खेतीबाड़ी, लाइफ स्टॉक रेयरिंग, ट्रेड व्यापार, सिल्क इंडस्ट्री, etc. In agriculture also, they produce crop like wheat, barley, peas, sesame, mustard, etc. They used plow to plow the land. They reared animals like cow, buffaloes, goats, and bullocks. They were engaged in internal as well as international trade. Historians believed that cotton cloth produced here used to reach Mesopotamia and Egypt via Mesopotamia. In addition of this, people living here were also involved in professions like pottery, metalwork, bed making, sculpture, etc. यानी कि ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं वो इनकी इकोनॉमिकल एक्टिविटी से जुड़ी हुई है. वो सारी ये बनाते थे और आमदनी वहाँ से उनको मिलती थी. नाउ सोशल लाइफ ऑफ हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन. यानी कि सामाजिक लाइफ कैसी थी, वो क्या करते थे, उनका पेशा क्या था. द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ इंडस वैली वेर एग्रीकल्चर. यानी कि ज़्यादातर लोग वो क्या करते थे, खेतीबाड़ी से जुड़े हुए थे. एंड लाइफ स्टॉक rearing. People of this time used to have wheat, barley, millet, maize, सीसैम, डेट पाम्स एक्सेट्रा, ये सब धान उगाते थे इन their डाइट. ड्यू टू pastoralism, कैटल rearing, यानी कि गायों का व्यापार करना, गाय रखना और उनके दूध से जो आमदनी होती है वो. Their diet consisted of milk and milk product also. दूध की भी बनावटें वो बनाते थे और बेचते भी थे. A fishing hook has been found in the remains of the civilization. So their food must be have included fish also. मछली भी वो पकड़ते थे और खाने में भी वो उसका इस्तेमाल करते थे. We get information regarding attire of the people of the time on the basis of scriptures found from Indus Valley civilization. Men and women here wore two clothes. वो दो कपड़ों में पहनते थे. उनका कपड़े का रहने का तरीका ये था. जैसे कि आज के ज़माने में हम बहुत सारे कपड़े पहनते हैं, उस टाइम पे इतने कपड़ों की हुई नहीं थी डिस्कवरी. दैट इज़ वाई they wear clothes similar to the dhoti and their waist, and in the upper part they wrapped a short cloth with come down from shoulder. They mainly used cotton clothes. ज़्यादातर वो कॉटन कपड़े का इस्तेमाल करते थे. They were also familiar with woolen clothes, as the needles made of the metal and ivory have been found. We can assume that they wore stitched clothes, although most of the people wear unstitched clothes. People of this time wore ornaments like knuckle, ring in finger. आज के ज़माने में पहनते हैं, उसकी अंगूठी बोलते हैं हम. And bracelets were worn by women as well as men. यानी कि पुरुष और स्त्री दोनों ब्रेसलेट पहनते थे. वुमेन वॉर ज्वेलरी लाइक बैंगल्स, इयररिंग्स, रिस्ट बेल्ट, एंकल्स एक्सेट्रा. दिस ऑर्नामेंट्स वेर मेड ऑफ गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड प्रीशियस स्टोन. People of Indus Valley civilizations made untils of earthenware, copper, bronze etc. वहाँ पे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के में कॉपर, ब्रॉन्ज, अर्थनवेयर के भी काफ़ी सामान वहाँ से मिला हुआ है. दिस इंक्लूडेड अनस्टिल लाइक मग, यानी घरगत्थू जिसे हम साधन बोलते हैं, बर्तन अनस्टिल लाइक मग, बाउल, मेटालिक पॉट, saucer, casserole, etc. People of Indus Valley civilizations made a special type of toys of their own children. यानी कि उनके बच्चों को खेलने के लिए वो अलग ही तरीके के टॉयज बनाते थे. In shape of the birds, animals, and maid and women. In a way, creativity and artistry of these people is expressed in those toys. उनकी जो कला है वो इन खिलौनों में दिखती है. टॉयज लाइक हेड शेकिंग एनिमल्स एंड मंकीज क्लाइंबिंग ट्री वेर सीन हियर. हियर यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ द टॉयज. Okay, in the next video we will see the religious life and funeral, script and language, places of Harappan civilization in Gujarat, end of Harappan civilization, and our Asian taxes, Rigveda and its study.